I'm Maureen Green with Kinlin Grover Real Estate. Do you like pleasant surprises? Here's one. It's 120 Nantucket Avenue in South Yarmouth. This gem is completely rebuilt to offer the comforts of today in an established neighborhood close to the ocean. Even the owner's bedroom has soaring ceilings and natural light. An ante room presents additional options with a private bath attached. The anchor of the home is this brand new kitchen with spacious dining area and walkout access to the private patio and yard. There are 2 more bedrooms on the 2nd floor. They're united by a Jack and Jill bathroom. And it's all just steps to inviting Parker's River Beach. I love seashell driveways, and in this one is that little shell that is nearly intact. One of several delights at 120 Nantucket Avenue. I'd love to take you through. I'm Maureen Green. Thanks for your time.